Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Brannygiz. I'm back on your screen. You gotta drive your lane. What's up y'all? I'm back on your screen. I just got out of Bible study and I went to Portillo's and Pete's. I had a taste for some watermelon, so I ran up in Pete's to get me a real nice seedless watermelon. And then I was like, you know what? I want Italian beef. Your girl want Italian beef. She didn't cook today. So I got Italian beef with fries. I got my drink at home. So I should be good. I picked up some nectarines. I had a taste for some nectarines. And then they had these cherry plum. I think it's called cherry plums or either cherry nectarines. I'm not sure. But I'll show y'all. Let me close my bag. Fries won't get cold, but I'm just here, girl, just filming for y'all, getting y'all some snippets of what I've been up to. Not too much. I just went to church. I had thought I had to film today. I usually film at church, but not all the time, but some of the time. And one of the young girls, she just filmed for me. I was glad I was able to just sit down and listen to the word. But I'm not talking about much. I just want to turn this camera on just to say hi to y'all. Y'all will see me when I turn this camera back on. It might be tomorrow, I don't know when, but y'all see me soon. Alright girls, I'll see y'all later. Alright my babies, I am home. I picked up a seedless watermelon and I also picked up some strawberries and some nectarine, and lastly I think they're called plum cherries. They're small, they're cute. I'm gonna wash them off real good and eat them. See if I can open them. Hold on, show you how they look. They look like this, real cute. Yep, small. Yeah, they're only like $1 something. I should have got more, but I gotta see if it's sweet or not. I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna go eat my Portillo's. Yeah, I'm gonna eat my Portillo's, my fries, and my beef. I think this is my son's beef. Yeah, and this one's mine. I could just smell the peppers on here. Yep, I can see them right through the paper. Oh, it's so greasy. Oh, I gotta get a plate. But yeah, that's the Italian beef, lightly dipped with french fries. Let me get my drink. I'll be back, y'all. What's up, y'all? It's another day. Just got off of work. Decided to turn on the camera or the phone. The phone, yeah. And film for y'all. What is up? Well, I'm actually on my way to get my truck lab. I'm on my way to go and get me a pedicure. I decided to go back to the salon after all of that. I mean, I still will do my feet every now and then, but I have a toenail that has broken and it looks ugly, and I need her to patch it up. I'm just waiting. I need her to patch it up. I don't mind you putting something fake on there, or I don't know what you would do. What you gonna put whatever you do, make it look right. That's all I suggest. So I don't want no fake toenail that make my shoe hurt when I put it on, because sometimes I do have to wear gym shoes. So that's what I'm on today. I forgot to eat my nectarine. I washed it and everything and put it in a bag. Yeah, I washed it. I thought I washed it. What I was telling y'all. So yeah, I'm headed to the nail salon. I need to do my nails too, but I'm not gonna pay her $50 for her to polish my nails. Clean the cuticles and polish them. No. Watch I come out with my nails done. I don't know what color I want. I was thinking maybe like that off-white on my toes, but then that made me, I'm so funny acting. I think either like a nude or pink is where it's at. And a long day. Today was one of those days where I'm like looking at the clock like, come on, let's go. 2:30. Put this little tie bun in my head. I want to go get some braids. Maybe I'll get them tomorrow. I'll see. Yeah, so I'll see y'all once I get to the nail. I'll see y'all once I get to the shop. I need to sit in this car, meditate, go over my day, my work day. See what I could have done better. See y'all back. I guess she didn't want to do no fake toenail on this toe, but it broke. Y'all can probably see that part right there. It broke off. So I just gotta let it grow out some, like right here on the side. It broke. I don't like that. But I had my gym shoes on, so my feet are all, you know, got them lines and stuff, my veins popping. But anyway, I got my feet done. I feel great. Yes, I do. And I took my pants off. I'm about to hop in the shower. My husband cut some, the watermelon that I showed y'all. I think it was yesterday. Thank God he cut it. And I'm just going to eat me a bowl of fruit. So that will be my lunch, because I didn't eat lunch at work. And I'll probably have dinner a little bit later. But yeah, your girl, I ain't talking about nothing. I just want to show y'all my little toenails that I got done. I like getting my feet done. Okay, all right, see y'all. Hey y'all, good morning. What's up, guys? It is a new day, early in the morning, and I'm on my way to the salon to get my hair done. I had to wake up early. I should have did it yesterday when I got home from work, but I was lazy. Just didn't feel like it. I just wanted to just chill. So I ended up having to wash my hair this morning. So I mean I had to wake up early. My appointment is at 8 o'clock, so you know I had to wake up at 5 so I could wash my hair, blow dry my hair, because you had to come with it, wash and blow dry to get your braids. I mean, you could get it done at the salon, but of course they'll charge you. And what else I was gonna tell y'all? So I decided to get braids, so hopefully everything works out. I'm so sleepy. I got a little time before my appointment. I'm gonna just lay in the car and sleep for a minute and take a little quick nap. I might sleep in the chair, girl. What was I gonna tell y'all? I can't remember, girl. So yeah, I had to wash my hair this morning. You know, you gotta get in the shower so you can smell good, be clean, put your clothes on. And I was like, okay, I better eat something instead of stopping at like a McDonald's. So I ate a bowl of cereal. Now I'm okay on that tip. I brought me some water and a nectarine to hold me over. It shouldn't take but about, what, 4 hours? She usually take about 4 hours to braid my hair. I wanted to get something even simpler, but then I was thinking, knowing me, it might not last. And I noticed that the knotless braids lasted on me longer than anything. So we shall see. I'm gonna look on my phone though. I'm gonna look on my phone and see what kind of styles, because I initially decided to go in for the knotless, but we shall see. I seen something cute on someone. I thought it was cute, but it was like one of those styles that might last like 2 to 3 weeks. So all right, y'all let's see what I get once I get there, girl. I can't wait for the process to be over because I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna take a nap. I actually need to, I really do need to go to Target because I know he didn't pick him up. I need to go to Target. I need to go to either Target or the GNC store. I need to go and get some vitamins. Yes, some vitamins. Replenish. It's rainy here in Chicago. It's not a lot of rain, but it's drizzling. It's not sunny. I'll come back to you guys once my hair is finished, okay? Y'all, I'm finished. This is the end result. I got my braids back in my head. I am so thankful. Yes, super thankful. I gotta go get some gas now. But yeah, I wasn't feeling like doing my hair. As you seen, it was in them buns, girl. I was just like whatever. And like when I would flat iron it, it was just like, I think I need a trim. It was just like not doing it for me. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep my hands out my hair and get these braids, and I'm loving it. I love the color. Yep, I love the color. I did I have my beautician to put more platinum. Her name is Tiffany. If y'all want to follow her on Instagram, go hit her up, let her know if you like the braids or not. Her name is, well, it's One Stone Salon, and it's on Instagram, and her name is Tiffany. All right, yeah, she's good. But yeah, like I said, I need some gas, and I need some gas, and I'm hungry. Go ahead, boo. Oh, I'm so glad I got my braids back. They long. She be making them long. They ain't that long, right? And they don't feel as heavy. I just noticed that. My braids feel lighter. She did a good job. Alright, y'all. Alright, you guys. So I'm back at home. I know I'm kind of in a way. I'm standing next to this grill. But these are my braids. And this is how they look from the back. They're pretty long, as you can see. Looks like so. And I love the color better. Yep, I think this color, in my opinion, suits me better. They're fresh. And I had went to McDonald's. I went to McDonald's to get my son something, and I had a taste for a Burger King. I wanted some soul food, but I didn't want to place a no order. It's rainy outside and dreary, waiting for the food to get home. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get some real quick. I got some Burger King, and I'm eating some McDonald's fries and a frappe. I didn't know Burger King don't sell apple pies no more. What happened? Girl, I ain't been to Burger King. She said they stopped selling them 2 years ago. I don't go to Burger King. Now y'all know I eat fast foods, but I don't eat everything. She said they don't have those Dutch apple pies anymore. I was like, oh, okay. So I guess I'll eat my last Danish from Sam's Club. That's what I'm gonna eat. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to end this video here. It was like a real quick video, just sharing with you all my quick day. just sharing with you all my quick day. Yep, that is about it. I'm about to get off of here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Y'all, I'm sitting here about to eat this big old Whopper. It's a double Whopper. I had to take one of the patties off because it's so big. I already blessed my food, and I had to flip it. Now let's see if it tastes the same. Tastes the same. Don't tell nobody, but I like the Whoppers better than the burgers at McDonald's. Shh, be quiet. But Burger King fries is like, Alright, let me upload this video for you, and I will see you guys a little bit later.